What's up, guys? My name's Nicole Thompson from Spokane, Washington. Today I'm installing a hitch on a Nissan Murano that can take you to some really cool places. You can go camping, bike riding, and even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Come on, let's break this hitch down for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. To prep the underbody, we've got to lower the muffler. To do that, we've got to remove 4 exhaust hangers. 2 on the driver's side, 1 down the center, and then another one on the passenger side. Before we drop the exhaust hangers, we need to support the exhaust by using a support strap here. We're going to attach the support strap to the exhaust tube and the cross member here. We're going to just wrap it around and pull it tight. Starting with the 2 hangers on the driver's side, we're going to apply some soapy water. And then we're going to take them off with our exhaust removal pliers. On the passenger side of the vehicle, there's 4 bolts holding the exhaust hanger. There are 2 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on this side, and we will be removing them with a 12mm socket. Now for this last hanger, we're going to use a 12mm socket to remove these 2 bolts from the hanger. Next, we're on the driver's side. We're going to be removing the tow hook that is held in by 4 bolts. We'll be using a 14mm socket to remove them. The tow hook will not be reinstalled. Here on the driver's side, we have 3 attachment points. On the passenger side, we only have 2 attachment points. So our hitch is ready to be placed. I'm going to be using a U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one of these, you'll want an extra pair of hands because these can get pretty heavy. Our hitch is placed, so now all we need to do is install the hardware. Our bolts have a conical tooth washer that you'll want to make sure the teeth are facing the hitch. Here on the driver's side, we have 2 holes for the larger bolts in the back, and we have 1 hole for a smaller bolt in the front. On the passenger side, we only have 2 attachment points. We'll be using the larger bolts on these 2 points. Okay guys, now that we've got our hardware into place, we've got to torque it down to the manufacturer specs. So for the small bolt on the driver's side, we'll use a 17mm socket. All of the other bolts, we will use a 19mm socket. Okay guys, our hitch is installed. Now we're ready to put the exhaust back up. Okay guys, now that we have our vehicle on level ground, we need to get you some important measurements. We have a 2-inch receiver, 5 inches from the pinhole to the end of the bumper, 15 inches from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver. Okay guys, that will help you determine the length, rise, and drop of your hitch accessories. I'm Nicole from Spokane. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.